Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassie. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, you are welcome. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and join the family here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you one simple method of making the tastiest potatoes ever. So when I'm talking about potatoes, you can use any type of potato, okay? But in this video, I'm going to be using the Irish potato. You can use sweet potato, any one that you have available. I also have some butter, water, onions, peppers, and fresh tomato. And our protein are some diced beef. This is very simple and it's a perfect recipe for dinner. And of course, now that we know that the Christmas season is upon us, you need something that would wow your friends and family who will be coming over for Christmas. On that note, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. The first thing you need to do is to wash the potatoes. So if you have never eaten the potatoes with the skin on, well, I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm going to wash this now. Make sure that there is no sand on the body. So I'm back and this is what it looks like. It's very, very clean, as you can see. Now we're going to put this in a pot and allow to boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. So here I'm using our karate pot. If you have not gotten this set of 6, you really need to get it. The link is in the description box. So now I'm going to place the potato inside the pot. And we're going to cook this for 5 to 6 minutes, okay? So it's time to slice our fresh tomatoes. I have this bell pepper here, onions and garlic. I'm going to make a very simple sauce that will pair really, really well with the potatoes. And I want to infuse some African taste into the sauce. These are properly washed. Now we're going to slice this. The tomato is ready. Put this here. This is our bell pepper. Now it's time to slice our onion. So now, as we can see, this is actually what we want. We want the fork to go through and come out easily. So partially cooked, yeah, that's the word. Now we're going to bring this out and then we take this off the stove. So the first potato, and you're going to just cut You can see that it is not completely cooked, but it's getting there. This is exactly what we want. And I'm going to cut this into cubes, just as I'm doing. With the back. So this is what we have, and now that we have this in cube form, I'm going to show you how to season this properly to get the best taste out of these potatoes. So let's get started. Here we have our pan, and I'm going to add some unsalted butter to the pan. We're going to add some sliced garlic and ginger in here. Garlic and ginger is a very important part of this recipe, so please do not skip this part. I'm going to add in some onions, and we're going to allow this to saute for about 2 minutes. So now that you have this is about 2 minutes. We're going to put in our sliced partially cooked potatoes, and this is going to cook properly in here. So what you want at this point is to make sure that the potatoes take in all the flavor of the garlic, the ginger, and the onions. Okay. Now, while that is going on, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of black pepper. Will go in just for some beautiful color. While this is getting ready, we are going to prepare our sauce, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Drizzle some olive oil. We're going to add garlic and ginger in here. Onions is very important for this part, so add that onions. Remember our beef. We're just going to put in your beef in here. Now, the idea is to make sure that the beef cooks properly with the spices that we've used. And once this is cooked well, we're going to check our potatoes. As you can see, it's ready. And I'm just going to dish this. This is so delicious. You're really, really going to enjoy it. Now, back to our sauce, you're going to add in those sliced peppers. Now, because I said earlier that I wanted some African taste to this, if you want it to be less spicy, you can reduce the amount of peppers, but this was really, really good. Next thing would be the fresh tomatoes. Put this in there and allow this to just cook for a few minutes. This sauce, it's really, really nice. You can have it with rice, with pasta, with yam, and of course our potatoes. Now, at this point, I just added some cayenne pepper, and that was it. I didn't add any other spice, and our meal is ready. And this is what it looks like. It is so, so beautiful. Everyone will love this. This sauce is so, so amazing. You can have this with rice, with pasta, anything. I just love the combination of natural whole foods in this sauce. So we are going to taste our potatoes. You can see that they are firm, okay? They are not strong and they are not so soft. And if anyone tells you that this comes with the back of the potato, I'm sure you will not even believe it.
This is definitely a 10 over 10. So I am urging you to make this amazing meal right now. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like this video, and let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe. This is so good. I like the fact that the potatoes are not so soft and not so hard. This is the perfect texture you want, and of course you're also eating the back with it. And this sauce is everything. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. I love you guys. Until next time, bye bye.